Prabhakaran, this is not smiling, thinking. That's all. Coronavirus pandemic, highly inflammable to one and all. In Karnataka, particularly Bangalore, day by day it is increasing. The pandemic will be increasing between 1000 to 1500. Actually today is 1447 coronavirus pandemic in Bangalore city. I have nothing to say. I was listening from World Health Organization. What? You also know that. Use mask. Always sanitation. Stay home. Safe home. If you are working, you try to work house in home. If you are field work, you should go the job with mask, with sanitation, with clean, with restricted food. Don't go for alcohol. Don't go by non-vegetarian. This is my humble request. If you are in field work, you are traveling between the one place to other place. Be careful. Where is more coronavirus spread? That place you should be very careful for your observation using mask. And also medicine. Why I am saying your life is yourself. You save your life yourself, following prescribed instruction by World Health Organization. You go on Facebook, you open submenu, World Health Organization. You go through the instruction, you follow it, you like it, you give comment, and also you forward your friends, social media friends. They will also see that only 4 to 5 lines. They will follow the instruction. Carefully put into practical. Understand? Whatever the instruction given, certain authority, if it is good for the welfare of society, you should follow it and put into practical. That is very important. Coronavirus doesn't know that it has to go by good people, bad people. Where is more virus, it will go and attack the human being. Travel history is very, very, very important. You are blindly moving Bangalore district to some taluk place, that is Mysore, Mandya, Channapatna, Ramnagara, Kengeri, surrounding the place, Tumkur, Nalamangala, Puttaparthi, Chikkabellapura, Doddabellapura, and also Attibele, Anekal towards Mysore, towards Andhra, towards our Karnataka, between the region, one region to other region, one taluk to other taluk, district to taluk, and small town. Because while you are traveling, your virus will spread all the place across the corner. It will affect all the people. Today what happened? This pandemic, there is no money for the people. You poor people has to pay from the packet as per the government rate prescribed by the court of law, rupees 2500 for the coronavirus test, and they have to pay ICO charges and CEO charges and bed charges and room charges and medicine is separate. Altogether it will take 40,000 to 60,000 per day medical treatment in the private hospital. With yourself holding Ayushman certificate, also health certificate. Otherwise very difficult. You have to pay from the 4,300 from coronavirus test and ICO test for 8,000 to 10,000 and room for 10,000 rupees and other medicine, other prescribed and kit, COVID kit. This all together you have to bear the expenses. The patient died in the coronavirus, whether in hospital or outside. Doctor has to give the certificate that whether he has died in the coronavirus or not. Otherwise, he cannot go to the final journey of this life. So be careful. Why we are repeatedly saying since from 5 months, be careful. And splitting is very dangerous. You know, today our COVID warriors, frontline workers, hardly sacrificing on the street, on the road, cleaning. Why? This spread should not spread other the place. They are warrior. We have to sincerely saying thanks to them. But you are splitting unnecessarily. It is dangerously spread. You are split across the area, across the people. They are moving in between one place to other place. Even our police friends, exception 2-3 police, all are our police friends. They are sacrificing. They are also COVID warriors. If one patient suffering COVID-19, immediately they attend. As per the government rule, they have to seal the house, seal the street and protect the people with immediately till recovery of the patient. Repeat, till recovery of the patient, unless they are been sealed on. Don't split. This is World Health Organization given instruction, you should not split. If it is going to the case, you will be imprisoned between 6 months with fine or 2 years with fine up to maximum 7 years imprisonment. This has to give awareness to the people. If you died, nothing you can carry. Your revenge, your cheating property, your harassment and your criminal intention, that will never work out. You cannot take others' property. During the coronavirus, trying to cheat them, forgery them, and attempt to misusing of COVID-19 prescribed rule, that is splitting and moving between place to place and saying unwanted things, which is against the COVID law. But you don't know that because police has to give awareness program for this. You should watch TV daily, national TVs. If you don't pay cable TV, you watch national TV, you know that coronavirus is the dangerous disease. What should you follow? What should not you follow? What should you put into the practical life? Because your life is saving by yourself, your observation, your practical life, and you are using mask, sanitation, and not to use split also, because it spread the different place. Your food habit, don't go alcohol and non-vegetarian except egg, because egg is using for the food, cake and other item. Everyone should use it as for WHO. Moreover, I tell you, my friends, COVID-19 is not a joke. It is a serious disease, pandemic. I told beginning March 23rd, it is a dangerous disease. Very be careful. Because one neighbor, there is a one police, suspended police or dismissed police. He always talk with the dog and speak with the dog, said that you go on latrine urine in front of someone else, that is maybe my house. That time also I given multiple of video footage to the CCB branch. Stop that crime, because police is misusing his official power. He will be imprisoned 13 years jail. One more person is that always splitting in the opposite house. Our street is multiple connection between the small road to big road. All people are moving with the two-wheelers and three-wheelers, occasionally four-wheelers. When you are splitting, that your split becomes spread with the people immediately within the radius of across the 1 kilometer. The coronavirus spread others. Others also suffer pandemic disease. If you are wise man, I will say you will listen and put into practical. If you are fool man, you are very fool. A foolish man, you never listen, that you have kept in the mind a criminalization. We say that decriminalization in the mind, then you don't follow it. That much I tell you, because what happened that coronavirus, WHO instruction put into another side law. Once your offense, another side is law. Nowadays, still that we don't put any law into any member of public. Only we are orally taking into action by the police. Under section 144, you should not go with 3 person and above. Under section 188, you should not gather 1 person and other, and should not misuse and misbehave with the other person. Section 269, any spreading disease, you are not cooperate, you misuse that, you will be imprisoned by the 6 month. But as per special instruction given under CRP 269 to 270, that you will be imprisoned between 6 months to 7 years. But we are sympathetically not put any cases to any member of public. That also you kept in the mind. You don't know seriousness, because what happened local, invest local, make in local, that is Modi. I am also approaching invest local, make local, buy local, and all the local. But what happened, our local people, COVID persons and frontline workers and NGOs and police and health department and also local politicians, as to give strict instruction, you should be obey the WHO. Otherwise, what happened when I said March 23rd only for the COVID pandemic suffering disease people 15 to 20%. But now, as per July 10th, 2020, COVID is in particularly Bangalore 1447. In particular Bangalore. Karnataka is crossing 2500. Why I am saying, if you are obeying that day only, March 23rd, only 10% you obey the WHO, that is World Health Organization's prescribed, and daily we are giving awareness program in the television, from national channel to all the channel. If you are following that, this should not be happen. Today you should know that no bedsheets available. We are collecting, we are gathering, getting from the peoples, getting from the institute, getting from the private hospital. We make one hub and putting all together 10,000 beds and starting for the COVID treatment behalf of the government. The patient, COVID patient, is not getting bed. They are not getting in-time treatment. Moreover, beginning we have given free treatment behalf of our government. But now you have to pay from the packet. COVID will not earn money. If a pandemic is happen, it should go out, then only we will earn. So money is lack of money. We don't have money in our packet. Where should we give COVID treatment? That is also another problem. Today normally what happen, below middle class people suffering from paying basic electric water bill, other necessities, and cheating owners 4 months, 5 months rent and get away. Because we have to manage everything accordingly. Feeling sympathetically the other middle class people. If you are BPL people, no problem. You are getting free. We are giving rice March to November. March 2022, November 2020, we are giving 5 kg rice, or if you want to alternative, you will get 5 kg wheat. In addition to we give 1 kg dal. For one person, the one family, if we are 3 person, 5 person, 5 into 5, 25 kg we will give freely. That is Modi. This is Prabhakaran. That should said by our Honorable Finance Minister, Nirmala Sitharaman. Because whoever give the food, we have to remember them stands of that. That is our BJP government. Understand? Why I am saying, I don't want to make this is a political. We are giving every person's food. How long? You should recover. Your health should recover. What you should follow for recovering? Other than medicine, we are not finding particular medicine for the particular COVID-19 disease. Isn't it? Yeah. So, we are giving treatment, you have to recover from the patient. That cost per day 40,000 to 60,000. This is one day treatment. Please be careful, my friends. Why I am repeatedly saying this? Even our Honorable Chief Minister has said, friendly, you must create awareness. COVID, you should try to reduce the disease. I told I was created awareness from March 23rd as per our Prime Minister of India and other leaders. But the people is not following what to do. That is the problem. I also extraordinary one suggestion has given where the people are moving more, market and railway station or bus stand and shops. You should not go there without mask. With mask also you should not go there, because gathering all the people, there is getting more disease. For example, in Chennai, Coimbatore market is open from I think 8 to 12 p.m. Vegetable market and food market. All the people are gathered there. That time Chennai is only for 10 COVID to 25 COVID patient. But what happened when the Coimbatore market is open, all the people are purchasing vegetables and foods, automatically it will increase 500,000. Now is 5,000, 4,800 to 5,000 patient will be suffering COVID-19 in Tamil Nadu. So people, you should awareness, you should follow others. Where it is come, how it comes, who behind it, what is the travel history, what is the medicine, what is the food, what we should do. If you travel some other place, next how many days you should be quarantined in your home. Quarantine is very important. If you go one region to other region, one city to other city, one taluk to other taluk, one district to other district within the Karnataka, you should take 14 days quarantine. Very, very important in your home. Quarantine means you should live alone in the room, not to contact with any person. People has to understand it. Why I am repeatedly saying this? My Honorable Chief Minister said that please create awareness. You should decrease the disease. Yes, we are creating. But people are not following. They feel who are controlling coronavirus disease, they are enemy. They are saying they are not to open shop. They are saying you should not go to the road. You should not gather all the people. You should not play in the street. You should not split in the road. You should not unnecessarily make quarrel in the road. You should follow cleanness. You should wear mask. You should wear face cover. At least mask is not available. You get sanitation. Then people are become angry. No, your life. If you did today 4 couriers, Korean couriers with rocket kit, they are giving final journey, funerals. Don't be angry. Our motive is we are trying to save your life. That is why we should give instruction. If it is perfect medicine for the COVID pandemic, we never say all those things. All those boost, we are never repeatedly saying it. No medicine. All medical research institutes trying, not perfectly find out. This is in earlier one disease is spread, H1 and N1. That is called, what you call, they say is not pandemic, that is called as a one type of disease, H1N1. The government is trying, all medical institutes are trying, but not yet find the perfect medicine for that. Even though, but that virus is gone. But I got indirect information that 1S4 diseases is find out by the research institute, that when they are going to attack other people, we don't know. This is also China Medical Institute, they are been find out that S4. See, God is supreme. Why God is supreme? He is found everywhere, homeostasis. God is supreme. God give punishment to bad people. He is trying to look, where is the bad people? How should I punish for his crime? How we will be escaping the crime? That crime God is punishing certain way. That is COVID-19, coronavirus. I feel so. Because when creating one disease, COVID-19 coronavirus by God, but the same God is not given perfect medicine to cure the coronavirus. So God is supreme. Nature is supreme. God is punishing bad people with coronavirus. That is my view, in particular view. Even we are already trying research institute. We are finding the one medicine with addition of alternative formula, that is cold and ampicillin with COVID medicine, not other. The bacteria of virus is spreading. It should not spread. India's basically 60% people are suffering food and shelters, and also employment. We are getting them up one level in our Honorable Prime Minister Modi. He's a great man. He given Pradhana Mantri Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is 20 lakh crores economic package to MSI sector, also other sectors, to get up our economic level upper. But nobody going to interest that. We are giving loan, multiple of loan. We are giving multiple of concession. We are giving multiple of reforms. We make it self-reliant. Land, labor, capital and loss. And making local item. Buy local, make local and use local. But nobody is interested in medium, small scale industries. I don't know why these people are not interested. God only knows it. Because your welfare, your employment, Your entrepreneurship, that we are giving land, labor, capital and laws and reforms, self-reliant of our people. Why I am saying, you must aware the program. You should follow all those things. Opportunity will not come multiple times. It will come one times. That is 20 lakh crore economic package, MSME, medium small scale industries. Multiple of loan, multiple of concession, multiple of opportunity. You should improve. Why I am saying, God given opportunity once, you should develop it. This opportunity after COVID-19 will not get. Understand? Yeah. The 20 lakh investment MSME, medium small scale industry sectors and all the construction will not get after what? COVID-19 disease will be recovery. Recovered, you won't get it. So you should be improving your employment opportunity. Why I'm saying, please follow it. No one knows that COVID-19 will give this much of spreading disease across the world. And also WHO also given warning. Already 1 crore COVID pandemic disease will be spread across the world. But India is the last 7th place. Beginning, now it will be 3rd place. In state, Maharashtra got 1st place, 2nd place will be Tamil Nadu. Nobody will know that what happened today and tomorrow and day after tomorrow. And don't think about yesterday. You should be aware and do it well. That is very important. This is Prabhakaran repeatedly saying, I never worry about myself. My life is very simple. But I am worrying about your life during the COVID-19. That is why in migrant workers, today highly enjoyable their life. Do you know that? They are highly enjoyable. Migrant workers from North India, 62 lakhs people, they are saying, I don't know exactly. They are left various South India, they reach their place. Atmanirbhar Bharat and 20 lakh additional investment by Prime Minister of India and also additional 50 crore employment opportunity will be given by the migrant worker along with the reasonable rent house to them, all the state. Why they want us? Because if migrant workers in the Karnataka or Tamil Nadu, in particularly Bangalore and Mysore, our MSME will increase. They are working with medium and cheap laborers and skilled laborers and also unskilled laborers. That is why migrant we are given multiple opportunity. If unable to work in Bangalore, you are going to Bihar or Odisha, UP. There we will give 100 days employment program with maximum salary of per day up to 100 days. No migrant work should not hardship. Our Modi, Honorable Prime Minister Modi has said that up to November I will give 5 kg rice or wheat or 1 kg dal because no poor should be hungry. That is Modi, this is Prabhakaran. See, everything is very important in your life. Nothing will get freely. There should be hard work. Today, multiple corporate company works in house from home. How? They are hard working. Unskilled labor are working today also. How? They are hard working. but they are following prescribed rule, whatever the said by the WHO, COVID-19. Why you should not? You should also feel it. You should also do it. That is Prabhakaran approaching each and every citizen of India. This is saying yours, friendly Prabhakaran. M.Com taxation, MA public administration, and PG diploma in office management, PG diploma in public relation. Global politician without any benefit.